So lots of different types of augers out there, Steve, and you and I have done our share of hand augering.
Yeah.
You know, we're getting a little older. It's a lot easier with either a gas or an electric drill. So what do we got here?
Well, here we've got kind of the top of the line Cadillac version. This is called an Ion. They're pricey. They're kind of $600 to $800. Battery operated, big heavy battery, lithium ion battery. Yeah, so you can get augers that have different widths to them.
Yep.
You can get the 6-inch, which is what we always used to fish with. And they're great. They're actually easier to auger because you're removing less ice. If you're going for bigger fish like big brookies or big rainbows, then you probably want to go to the 8-inch because the 8-inch just gives you the size of hole where you're not trying to squeeze a fish through it.
Yeah.
So I've always used an 8-inch for the last 15 years.
It's almost become standard on anything powered 8-inch.
Exactly.
Yeah. So a hand auger is they're not expensive, and it's a good way to get started for ice fishing. So the old hand auger.
Yeah.
And then from there we've got drill.
We've got the drill attachment, which
drill
we've got with us as well.
So it's kind of intermediate price, and then gas augers, a little more expensive, and then
these ones are even
but
a little
I
bit
got to
higher.
admit, it's a quiet, and you can drill a lot of holes on a charge on a battery, and it's effortless.
Yeah, and particularly when you're looking at 20 inches of ice, which we do get up here. Going through a hand auger, going through 6 inches of ice, no problem. 20 inches of ice, then you're struggling a bit more.
You bet.
So Brian, as you know, these blades are really sharp.
Absolutely.
They are razor sharp.
Yeah.
And really important as a safety issue, get the cover back on those blades. Somebody walking along scrapes their hand across here.
A dog,
particularly if you got dogs, somebody else's dog coming by, they run by, and you got a big wound that needs stitches. So as soon as I finish, I throw the cover back on this.
Absolutely.